Hey folks, so I recently made a purchase off Glassbox Tropicals and I bought a Begonia involucrata, more commonly known as a Begonia Metachroa. Now they had it listed as native to Brazil and several other websites do too, but a more reliable website claims that the Begonia Metachroa is native to Costa Rica, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, and Panama. So, being the first purchase from Glassbox Tropicals, let's see how it's packaged. Now, if you notice, this side further away from me is actually a little bit heavier, so that's where the plant is situated. They have it taped in there probably. So I'm going to open this and see how it's packaged. They put some paper and they have it in a reflective bag, which is nice. I'm trying not to crush the plant while removing the tape. Now, before I opened this, I noticed something else in here. So, I guess they included a heat pack and they wrapped that up as well. It feels warm to the touch, and here it is. So that was nice of them to do, even though we've had so far a nice mild fall. Although it's the end of November at the moment. Now, the Begonia Metachroa is supposed to be a miniature version of the Begonia pavonina. So it will be nice to see if that is indeed the case. Don't you like how things are packaged in such ways as not to damage the plant until you receive it and you end up damaging it while unboxing? So let's see here. You have to be very careful with these plants. And look at this. Ooh, it's making a mess. So it does look like a smaller version of a Begonia Metachroa. Let me pull this. A smaller version of the Begonia pavonina. So here are what the leaves look like. They look almost like see-through. They're thinner than the pavonina. And you can see the iridescence a little bit, at least I can from my vantage point. So that's how it was packed from Glassbox Tropicals. So if you enjoyed this unboxing, please leave a comment below and let me know of what you had experiences with Glassbox Tropicals. Thanks for watching. Happy planting.